Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss NEET NTA 57th paper. Now in this video I am going to discuss only organic chemistry questions. Now the first question, the number of structural isomer of C6H14. So we can learn simply, if molecule is having total 4 carbon, then molecular formula is C4H10. When from C4H10 we can draw two structure. From C5H12 we can draw three structure. From C6H14 we can draw 5 structure. From C7 we can draw 9 structure. From C8 18 structure. From C9 we can draw 35, and from C10 we can draw 75 structure. So we can simply learn it, and from C6H14 we can draw 5 structure. Now if we have to draw the structures, now first example in which all the 6 carbons are present in a straight chain, normal hexane, then 5 carbon in main chain and methyl is present at second carbon, then 5 carbon in main chain and methyl present at third carbon, then 4 carbon chain and 2 methyl groups are present on same carbon, and one structure in which 4 carbon in main chain and 2 side chains are present at different carbon. So total 5 structures are possible, and hence correct answer is B. In the mixture of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde on heating with aqueous NaOH solution gives main product has. Now this is the example of Cannizzaro reaction. Now both aldehyde are taken or not having alpha hydrogen. So aldehyde not having alpha hydrogen when treated with NaOH solution, now one of the reactant will oxidize to form sodium salt of acid and other will form alcohol. Now the reactant which is less crowded, which is more reactive, will convert it to acid, and the reactant which is less reactive is converted to alcohol. So from formaldehyde formic acid is formed, and from benzaldehyde benzyl alcohol is formed, and hence correct answer is so benzyl alcohol and sodium formate, and hence option A is correct. In this question we have to find phenol can be tested by. So phenol can be tested by Liverman nitroso test, neutral FeCl3 solution, bromine water test, and hence correct answer is D, all of the above. Now if phenol molecule is treated with FeCl3, so it will give a complex compound which is colored. This is violet color complex. So if violet color complex is formed, then confirm presence of phenol. Now phenol molecule when treated with bromine water, it will form tribromophenol, and tribromophenol is white colored precipitate. So B and C both options are correct. Now phenol give Liverman nitroso test. Now this is the Liverman nitroso test. When phenol is treated with NaNO2 in excess of water, then red color compound is formed. Now this red color compound on reacting with NaOH give blue color product. For this test confirm presence of phenol. Phenol on reacting with NaNO2 H2SO4 form NO positive. Now this NO positive act as electrophile, and it will be attached at para position of phenol. So para nitrosophenol is formed, which will tautomerize to oxime. So this oxime is formed. Now on reacting with H2SO4, it will give this cation. Now this cation will combine with another molecule of nitrosophenol. So endophenol is formed, which is dye, red color dye, and this red color dye will change to endophenol blue dye. So finally blue color is formed, and this test confirmed presence of phenol. and hence correct answer is D. They all give presence of phenol. In this question, we have to identify which of the following molecule have maximum dipole moment. So, in the case of para-nitroaniline, NO2 is electron withdrawing group and NH2 is electron donating group. So, due to donating pair of electron, nitrogen acquire positive charge and this NO2 acquire negative charge, and dipole direction of dipole moment is from positive to negative. So para-nitroaniline will have maximum dipole moment and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find total number of product with molecular formula C2BrClFi. Now C2BrClFi, if F and Cl both are attached at same carbon, then this structure is formed. Now this structure will have position isomerism. So another structure can be written in which F and Br are attached from same carbon. Now these two are position isomer of each other. In first case F and Cl are attached together. In second case F and Br are attached together. Now there is third possibility when F and I can be joined together, Cl and Br. Now all these molecules will show GI, so their geometrical isomers can be written. First, if we change position of I and Br, so this structure. Now F and Br are fixed and position of I and Cl is changed, and this molecule will also have geometrical isomer. In first structure F and I are joined together. In next structure we have changed position of Br and Cl. So total 6 isomers can be written from molecular formula C2BrClFi, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find which of the following carbocation would not likely to rearrange to a more stable carbocation. Now motive of rearrangement is higher stability. So those carbocation will rearrange which give more stable intermediate after rearrangement. For example, in first case when rearrangement takes place, now this carbocation is 2 degree, now this is 3 degree, so 2 degree is getting converted to 3 degree, which is having more number of alpha hydrogen. So in first case rearrangement will takes place. Now this molecule is having 5 alpha hydrogen, and if rearrangement takes place, then again 5 alpha hydrogens are present. So rearrangement will not take place when equally stable carbocations are present. So rearrangement is not possible in second case, and hence correct answer is B. In third option, now this molecule is having 3 plus 1 4 alpha hydrogen, and if hydride shift takes place, now this carbocation is having 3 6 and 2 8 alpha hydrogen. So in this case rearrangement will takes place, and hence correct answer is B. The study of action of drug is known as, so study of action of drug is known as pharmacology. Pharmacology is the branch of study of drug action in which considers the site of action of drug, toxicity, side effect on plasma, half-life, concentration, excretion by products, etc., and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find correct product of the reaction. Now this is the case of semi-pinacol pinacolone rearrangement. First of all, NaNO2 and HCl will combine to form HNO2. HNO2 undergoes autoprotolysis. HNO2 is having a structure like this. Now it will go autoprotolysis. Now this oxygen donate pair of electron to H positive, and it will convert it to this oxonium ion. Now this oxonium ion will release water molecule, and after removal of water molecule we are getting NO positive ion, nitrosonium ion. Now this nitrosonium ion will convert amine to diazonium. So we are having this compound OH CH2 NH2. Now NO positive will convert this NH2 into diazonium OH CH2 N2 positive. Now this N2 positive is unstable, so nitrogen gas is eliminated and it will be converted to OH CH2 positive carbocation. Now this carbocation can be further stabilized if positive charge is stabilized by alpha effect of OH group. So rearrangement takes place, and after rearrangement, now this carbocation will be stabilized by alpha effect of oxygen. So ring expansion takes place, in which this carbon acquire positive, this carbon will acquire negative charge. So it will be converted to OH positive CH2 CH2, and these are combined together. Now ring is converted to 6-membered ring, and this carbocation is stabilized by alpha effect of OH. So this can be written similar to this. Finally hydrogen protons are shifted, and after removal of H positive ion, it will be converted to cyclohexanone, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find which of the following alkane is not obtained by Woods reaction. So during Woods reaction, when alkyl halide react in presence of sodium and dry ether, now both are combined to give higher alkane. So now alkanes having even number of carbon can be easily prepared by this method. So ethane can be prepared when methyl chloride is treated with sodium and triether. Butane is formed when ethyl chloride is taken, and hexane is formed when propyl chloride is taken in presence of sodium and triether. But methane cannot be prepared by this method, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which reaction does hydroquinone undergoes most readily. So now hydroquinone, this is the hydroquinone molecule, para hydroxyquinone. It will oxidize to para benzoquinone. Para hydroxyquinone is colorless compound, while para benzoquinone is yellow compound. So this reaction involves oxidation, and hence correct answer is C. Ethyl alcohol on oxidation with K2Cr2O7. Now ethyl alcohol on reacting with K2Cr2O7 converted first to acetaldehyde, which on further oxidation will finally convert it to acetic acid, and hence correct answer is A. In case of condensation of polymer, now condensation polymerization is step growth polymerization, in which molecular weight of molecule rise continuously, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following carbohydrate is reducing sugar. Now first of all the monosaccharides are reducing sugar. Glucose and galactose both are monosaccharide, and hence they are reducing. So if monosaccharides are present, no matter they are having aldehyde group or ketonic group, they are aldose or ketose, all monosaccharide group will give tolerance failing test, and they all are reducing sugar. Now maltose is disaccharide, and those disaccharide which have free hemiacetal linkage will always give tolerance or failing test, and they will be reducing. Now maltose is having C1 and C4 linkage, so at this carbon hemiacetal linkage is present, and due to presence of this hemiacetal linkage, this molecule will give tolerance test and hence will be reducing. So maltose, glucose and galactose all are reducing, and hence correct answer is D. Chloroform when kept in open is oxidized to. Chloroform must be handled carefully, otherwise in presence of air it will oxidize to form CoCl2, which are also known as phosgene, which is a poisonous gas, along with formation of HCl. So CoCl2 is formed, and hence correct answer is B. The reaction between alcohol and acid with the elimination of water molecule is called. So when carboxylic acid is treated with alcohol under acidic medium, now this alcohol act as nucleophile and acid act as electrophile. Overall water molecule is eliminated, and after removal of water molecule it will be converted to ester. Since ester is formed in the reaction, hence this reaction is called esterification, and so correct answer is A.